Upon logging into the dashboard, you can find all of the available listings on the exchange. You can search for loads by using the origin, the destination, or the type of vehicle. You can also use the filter dropdown to search by the equipment, the condition, or the load type. To book a load, click the blue Book button to add it to your cart. You will automatically be redirected. Review your current reservation details and then scroll down until you see Shipment Details. You'll then want to select your driver, your dispatcher, and your pickup and delivery time estimates. Under Carrier Details, be sure to select your vehicle under ELD Tracking. Then click Book Reservation. Once the load is booked, you'll be taken to the confirmation page. For security purposes, in order to secure the load, you'll need to find your order confirmation email and confirm the tender offer. You'll then be redirected and you can click the blue Accept Tender button.